Here is how you can draw on the iPad, but without downloading anything. Let me actually show you how it works. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So without downloading anything, you should definitely have the Notes app made by Apple. And when you get inside, you might think, or it might appear that you can only write text in here, but if you go to a new note page and perhaps expand it to make it full screen, we have the ability to tap on the pencil icon at the top. So you can expand it like this and decide that you switch or turn the empty note into an empty canvas. And when you go in there, you have the ability to just start drawing with your finger. So all of the tools should pop up right there. So you would be able to switch to a different style of pen. You can choose the highlighter or a thin pen, or you can even expand it like this and choose the thickness, opacity, the color, and so on, right? So you have even some more options in here. Definitely tap on the plus button to expand some of the options in there, and you can even add things like stickers or shapes or signatures even, right? So you have plenty of ways, and it's all built in, right? You don't have to download any third-party software, no subscription or anything. You can just start drawing. And this obviously applies to the Apple Pencil as well. Like, you can use it in no problem. And speaking of Apple Pencil, if you want to get to this page, even without like opening up the app or anything, if you are on the locked iPad and you touch the screen with the Apple Pencil, it's basically going to get you right here instantly. So you can just start or tap the screen with the Apple Pencil and it's going to start drawing on the screen, literally in the same notes page and a notes app. So it gets the job done. It's very quick and efficient. So yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions below. I think that this is the best way to draw on the iPad, but without any third-party apps. So let me know your thoughts, and I will see you later in the future uploads.